Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bella of Bella Natural Care. Today for the first time I'm going to show you some food. Yes, I am going to show you how I make my ultimate healthy pasta tuna salad. Yes, so let me show you what I have. The ingredients I have are here. Can you see it? Okay, over there. Let me just turn it. So I have here tuna, just from the can. I have 2 cans of tuna, nothing in it yet. And then I have corn, sweet corn, from the can also. And I have peas, fresh peas, sweet, what are they called? Sweet peas? I don't know. And broccoli. So now, over here, I already cooked my pasta. This is about 250 grams. I'm gonna put it there in the bowl so that they can just cool down. And now, I'll show you how I cook my broccoli. Let me say my vegetables. So now, I transferred my ingredient over here to the stove and my water is boiling. So let me set my camera here. I'm going to put my broccoli in and my peas. Okay, so they are in there. Going to leave them in for just about 2 minutes. I don't want them to overcook. And to that I'll add a little bit of salt over here. Okay. I'm just gonna watch them. Look how pretty they look. I put in there some stems. I like eating broccoli stem. Not the hard part. So anyway, they're done. So I'm going to turn the stove off and transfer them. So they're nicely done. Not overcooked and not undercooked. So I will strain them in there. And then just run cold water over them. That will stop the cooking process because if you don't, even if you take them off the heat, they'll still cook in their steam and heat. So you want to run cold water over them. And I will allow them to cool and of course drain. I don't want water in my pasta, so let them sit for a little bit. I waited long enough and these are nice and cold, so I just put them with the pasta. Here's my corn. Tuna. Maybe you can also use chicken. I'm sure you can also use chicken if you don't like tuna or don't eat tuna. Here, this is Kapana spice from Namibia. I believe it's like all-purpose spice. There's chili in there and some herbs. I think it's about a teaspoon. So you can put in whatever spice you want. And I have black pepper, I crush it up myself. I like the peppercorn instead of the fine one, but if you like pepper, you can use whatever. And then I have chili flakes. It's not really hot, but I like hot. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some in there. But do you see how pretty that is already? And then good old mayonnaise. So if you don't eat mayo or don't like mayo, or for health reason, because I don't know how healthy mayo is so much, just put in however much you want. But if you don't like mayo or don't eat mayo, you can use salad dressing. My husband makes a very good salad dressing, but not me, so I use just mayo. But I think any salad dressing of your choice would just work fine. And then you just stir it up, mix it up. And there you have it. Nice and quick and easy. I think you can also add a little bit of salt, but I salted the pasta and a little bit of salt in the vegetables, so I'm not going to add any more salt. Plus, salt is not really good for us. Too much salt is not good for us. Let's go ahead and serve it. Okay. Have little chili flakes. We're gonna take a bite. It's good, guys. So, yeah, cheers. Do you say cheers with the food or just with the drinks? Okay, well. So good, you should try it, and so easy. And I think it's healthy. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and help me share this video. I will have like 1 or 2 people sharing this video. Please just share the video. Even if other people don't watch it, at least you share. Support a sister. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.